Welcome back to Tech Stack for all you tech enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to explore pipes in Angular. Pipes are simple but powerful. Anytime you need to format data in your HTML, pipes are the tool you'll reach for. In this video, we'll go through several important pipes: UpperCasePipe, LowerCasePipe, TitleCasePipe, DatePipe, SlicePipe, JsonPipe. By the end, you'll know how to use these pipes to transform your data effortlessly. Right-click on the Pages folder and choose Open in Integrated Terminal. Once the terminal is open, create a new component called Pipes. This will generate all the necessary files and set up your component automatically. Next, open the app routes.ts file. We need to add a route for our new pipes component. This will let the app know that when you go to the pipes path, it should display the pipes component. Now, open the app HTML file. We're going to add a link in the navbar so users can easily navigate to the pipes component. This way, when someone clicks the link, it will take them directly to the pipes page. Finally, let's run the project. Open the terminal and start the Angular server using the ngserve command. Once it's running, open your browser and navigate to the app. You should be able to see your pipes component working perfectly. As you can see, the pipes component is now working perfectly. Now, open the pipes component. In this component, we're going to apply and explore different pipes to see how they transform our data. First, create a variable called department. Assign it the value marketing. We'll use this variable to demonstrate how different pipes work. Now, display the department value in the HTML using interpolation. This will render the department name on the screen so we can apply different pipes to it. Now, we want to capitalize this value. To do that, we'll use the UpperCasePipe, which converts the text into all capital letters. To use the UpperCasePipe, we first need to make it available in this component. So, in the imports array, add the UpperCasePipe. Once it's imported, we can use it directly in the template. Now, use the UpperCasePipe with the department variable in the template. This will transform the department name and display it in all capital letters on the screen. Simple, clean, and exactly what pipes are meant for. As you can see, the department name is now displayed in uppercase. The pipe has transformed marketing into all capital letters instantly. Before moving ahead, as you know, Angular recently released Angular 21. We are covering Angular 21 from scratch, so if you're a beginner or intermediate, this series will be highly recommended for you. We have also provided the Angular 21 playlist in the description for easy access. Now, let's apply the LowerCasePipe. Just like before, we first need to make it available to the component. So, add the LowerCasePipe to the imports array. Now, apply the LowerCasePipe to the department value in the template. As a result, the department name is displayed entirely in lowercase. Instant transformation, no extra logic required. As you can see, the department name is now displayed in lowercase. The pipe instantly transforms marketing into lowercase letters. Pipes are used to format data in HTML. They only change how the data is displayed and do not modify the original value. Next, create a variable called goal and assign it the value learn Angular. Now, we want to capitalize the first letter of each word, so we'll use the TitleCasePipe. First, display the goal variable in the template as it is. This will show the text exactly as we typed it, without any formatting applied. Next, to use the TitleCasePipe, add TitleCasePipe to the imports array of the component. This will make it available so we can capitalize the first letter of each word in the text. Now, apply the TitleCasePipe to the goal variable in the template. This will capitalize the first letter of each word, transforming the text into a properly formatted title. As you can see, the text is now displayed in TitleCase, with the first letter of each word capitalized. Now, let's implement one of the most commonly used pipes in Angular, the DatePipe. This pipe helps format dates in a variety of ways, making them easy to display in your app. Next, create a variable called dated and assign it the current date. We'll use this variable to demonstrate how the DatePipe formats dates in different ways. First, display the dated variable in the template as it is. This will show the full date and time in the default format. As you can see, the date is currently displayed in a very long format, which isn't very user-friendly. To fix this, we'll use the DatePipe to format it in a cleaner, more readable way. Next, to use the DatePipe, add DatePipe to the imports array of the component. This will make it available so we can format dates in the template easily. Now, apply the DatePipe to the dated variable in the template. This will display the date in a clean, readable format instead of the long default version. As you can see, it's currently showing just the date. The DatePipe also allows us to apply different formats, so let's try out a few other date formats to see how it looks. Now let's format the date in a custom way, showing the day, month, and year. Make sure to use lowercase d and y and an uppercase M for the month. This tells Angular to display the day, month, and year correctly in the desired format. Next, let's format the date to show a 2-digit year. This will display the day and month as before, but the year will appear in just 2 digits for a shorter format. As you can see, the date now shows only the last 2 digits of the year. Now, we want to display the full month name. To do that, we use 4 capital MS in the format, which will show the complete month instead of just a number. As you can see, the full month name is now displayed. The DatePipe has transformed the numeric month into a complete, readable name. Now, instead of using dashes, let's use slashes to separate the day, month, and year. This will display the date in a format that's easier to read and visually cleaner. As you can see, the date is now displayed with slashes, making it more readable and neatly formatted. Next, let's display the time using hours, minutes, and seconds. This will show the current time in a clear, structured format. As you can see, the change has taken effect, and the date is now displayed exactly as intended. Now, let's move on to the SlicePipe. This pipe allows us to extract a portion of text or an array, making it useful for displaying only the part we need. First, create an array called EMP names. We'll use this array to demonstrate how the SlicePipe can extract specific elements or parts of the data. Next, assign some values to the EMP names array, like John, Edward, and Smith. This will give us some sample data to work with when applying the SlicePipe. First, display the EMP names array in the template as it is. This will show all the names in the array before we apply the SlicePipe. Now, we want to display just the first two elements of the array using the SlicePipe. Next, to use the SlicePipe, add SlicePipe to the imports array of the component. This makes it available so we can extract specific parts of the array or text in the template. Now, apply the SlicePipe to the EMP names array to show only the first two elements. This will display just John and Edward, leaving out the rest. As you can see, the SlicePipe is now showing the first two elements of the array. If you remember, the slice function is also commonly used in JavaScript for similar purposes. Now, let's use the JsonPipe to display an object. This pipe is useful for printing objects in a readable JSON format directly in the template. First, create an object called EMPObj. Store some data in it, like the name as John and the department as HR. We'll use this object to demonstrate the JsonPipe. Now, try displaying the EMP object directly in the template. You'll see it shows object, which isn't very helpful for reading the data. As you can see, it's currently showing object. To make it readable, we'll apply the JsonPipe, which will format the object into a clear, structured JSON format. We've used the JsonPipe multiple times throughout our Angular 21 series. It's a handy tool for quickly displaying objects in a readable format during development. Next, to use the JsonPipe in this component, add JsonPipe to the imports array. This makes it available so we can format and display objects directly in the template. Now, apply the JsonPipe to the EMPObj in the template. This will display the object in a clear, readable JSON format instead of showing object. As you can see, the JsonPipe has converted the object into a readable string. This is especially useful for developers when testing and debugging. These are the default pipes available in Angular. We can also create custom pipes to meet specific requirements. In the upcoming episode of our Angular 21 series, we'll dive into creating custom pipes as well. If you're passionate about learning new technologies, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Stack, and keep learning new skills. Thank you. And remember, consistency is the key to success.